Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by capturing clean audio with consistent levels. Set mono, 44, 148 kHz, and aim for peaks around -6 dB. Once recorded, make a duplicate track to preserve the dry take. Next, apply a very narrow low-pass filter to the duplicate to remove highs. You'll restore some later. Make sure to label tracks clearly so you don't edit the wrong file. This prevents accidental loss and keeps steps reversible as you move into effect processing. Now sculpt the band with a bandpass EQ roughly between 300 and 3400 Hz to mimic telephone bandwidth. Use steep slopes for a punchy cut. Once done, add gentle saturation or analog-style distortion to introduce telephone-like harmonic grit. Don't overdo it. Blend 20–50% wet to taste. Then, compress lightly with fast attack and medium release to even dynamics and emphasize presence. Finally, automate a subtle high-frequency roll-off. For authenticity, finish by blending the processed telephone track with the original dry take using parallel mix. This preserves intelligibility while keeping character. Once blended, de-ess any sibilants and notch narrow resonances that make the tone annoying, and always audition in mono to ensure phase stability. If the result sounds hollow, widen the bandpass a bit or lower distortion. If it's too bright, increase the low pass. One quick fix: bypass each plugin to isolate the problematic stage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.